2011 to 2018 Ford Explorer model's front windshield side panel. Tools required: a clean cloth, plier, a small screwdriver. The original windshield side panel that was designed not to be reusable. It breaks when you're removing it. Motor King is redesigned with a reusable metal clip and reinforced all mounting brackets. After installed, it could be removed without breaking it. That outlasts the original design. To remove the panel, start at the top to the bottom by pulling it outwards. You'll hear a few cracking noises and see a few broken pieces flying when pulling out. This is normal, but be careful not to let those pieces hit your eye. Remove all remaining broken clips from the lower side panel bracket. Clean both the windshield and the lower side panel bracket where the double-sided tape lies. Install 7 new metal clips to the lower side panel bracket with a small plier, and make sure they sit all the way in, aligned one direction, and straight up. Remove double-sided tape protection film and install the new trim. Making sure the 7 clips align with the new panel, start pushing downwards. Start at the bottom to the top. Push firmly until all clips click in. Then make sure it sits flush with the windshield. Clean it with a soft cloth.